come up with a more pure color, but that's the big shell, and that's the lighthouse on my new shower curtain. The artist is Theresa Fairchild, my younger sister, and I'm really proud of her. And I ordered the image on a metal piece of that's 14 by 9 or 9.5, and you can see the lighthouse, you can see the big shells, and there's supposed to be other things in there. I can see the birds. I believe they are seagulls, and there are just a lot of images in this shower curtain. And also, you know, if you look inside the shells, there's other things, and I really enjoy looking at it. The thing about it is, if you get something that is intricate and very detailed, then you can spend a lot of time looking at it, and it is interesting. And that's what I kind of like as far as art. I'm not as much into flow art. I've done it, and I'm not thrilled with it. But, I mean, the colors are beautiful, but I can't spend hours looking at it like I could something like this. But that's the Tybee Lighthouse and the shells, and my sister and I were on the beach, and I made a mirror that I've got to hang in here as well.